Hi folks, this is Mary. I'd like to show you this 2022 Thor Rize. So this is a great small unit if you need something that you can, maneuver really good. This is a good one to start with. So let's look inside here. You've got smooth seats here, no stains are going to get on that. Then this table right here moves around. So you do have the option of having people ride with you in the back. So there's a couple seat belts here, but I wouldn't say for a long journey because sitting sideways is not very comfortable. And then this table moves around, and this actually is a table or a bed, sorry. This actually is a bed that will come out so you could easily fit 2 people here. And then under here you have 2 drawers. One of them is just for shoes, one of them is for little pets. And then as you come back here, and then I'm going to show you. This is a great fridge right here. It's easy to stock this fridge when you're coming from the grocery store and you've got your gear and you just stick it in the fridge right there and on your way. Then you have extra counter space right here to cook. Yeah, here we have our 2-burner stove. Oops, that just closed. Nice sink here. You do have cabinet space up above and all throughout over here. Drawers right here. And as we come into the bathroom area, this is a rear bath. So always on these rear baths you have a lot more space, elbow room and everything to move around. You do have a medicine cabinet right here and a sink that pulls out. So everything is just tucked in all around here. And then you've got lots of storage right over here. I'll show you. This is a hanging storage closet. Lots of room in there. Plus you have drawers underneath. You do have a shower curtain that's going to protect all of this, and these doors do close and magnetize right here. So this is a great unit, very small, just under $100,000. If you'd like to come check this out, call me. My name is Mary, 406-850-4590. Thanks.